This is Maggie, and this is her office. She's a really hard worker, like all day, every day. She doesn't get any sick leave, no benefits, or even after-work drinks. And she commutes a lot. Because she's a pollinator. And if it weren't for Maggie and all her colleagues, there would be no gardens, no flowers, or even nature as we know it. Okay, but what does this have to do with us? Well, at Husqvarna, we make robotic lawnmowers. And now we're releasing a new feature. And it may just be our most important one yet. Because through some GPS wizardry, it automatically creates a zone for biodiversity by leaving it unmowed, so that Maggie and all her colleagues have a place to work. We're calling it Rewilding Mode.